live? We're live in here. Let's go, baby. Some downhill. Gunshot at you. I'm gonna go with FL. Man, downhill. God, I hate downhill. God, my aim is so off, bro. Oh my god, that was making me mad. Oh, shit. They're gonna try to come. Should I go backside? He drop shot it, mother. Or jump. Yeah, jump. Get on a little roll here. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I don't think it'd be a good idea to go through that way. Go around. Had a pause for a minute, now I'm right back in it. Where these dudes at? I mean, they're all the way across the other side of the map, aren't they? Freak. Let's go get these. I always think that's a guy right there for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, yeah, they're over here. They're over here. Hurry. Hurry. Yeah. Oh, shit. No, where did you come from? You just ruined everything. God damn it. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, my trigger is not that quick right now. Okay, I gotta watch my back. Oh, no, that should have been a double. Man. Oh well. Okay, here we go. I'm not really a big fan of this map. I don't know why. I could have got an assist off of that. Yeah, die. Okay, see my team's on this side, so I gotta be careful. They're over here, dude. Oh, where you at? Oh my god, you just ruined it. Oh. No! It's Peyton Manning him. And then he kills me. Come on, man. That is so stupid. Come on, man. Like, he's gonna lay down. Yeah, you're done. You're done. Sit down, boy. You just took a shot to the nuts. Oh, Peyton Manning? Oh, that was a bad throw. God, you kid, you're bad. I was about to say get turned on, son. Gosh. Oh, it spawned me behind him, didn't it? Yep. Oh my god, why did I shoot? That was stupid. Peyton Manning. No success. Alright. Okay, here we go. Get some going. Oh, just murked us. Murked. Where you at, bro? Give me a long range. Nice. Nobody in that window. Check. Alright, I'm gonna move around. What? I was behind the wall. Oh, okay, I didn't show that. See? That's stupid. Hey, Manny. Oh, got him. Oh my god, there were all of them over there. Freaking ball sacks. Little vagina bags. Come on. Hunter killer. Oh my god. It spotted me right when he threw it. Oh shoot. 70-55. We're just screwing these guys in the freaking. Oh, why did I do that? That was stupid. Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning. Oh, no success. He's gonna come around here, watch. No, he is. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Ah, freak. Well, that's that. If you guys are watching, I appreciate it. It's my live comm. Expect to see some more coming up soon.